Happy Independence Day. On today's episode, we are going to show you how to make a hamburger. For the ingredients, we are going to need red onions, tomatoes, lettuce, hamburger buns, cheese slices, hamburger patty, mayonnaise, pickles, ketchup, mustard. We're also going to need salt, black pepper, and cooking oil. Let's begin by firing up our stove. And let's place our grill pan on top of the stove. Now, let's drizzle some cooking oil and let it warm up. Once it's warm, let's place the patty on the pan. Then we will season it with salt, and black pepper. Let one side cook for a while, and we will flip it. Then we will season the other side as well. Salt and pepper. Let it cook for a while and flip it. Flip it occasionally so it's evenly cooked. Then once done, we will plate it. Now let's prepare the ingredients. Let's begin by splitting the buns in two halves. Then we will spread mayonnaise in both buns. Then we will place the burger patty on the top, followed by the cheese. Then let's stack it up with lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Now let's spread some ketchup on the bun, add slices of pickles, and finally, we will spread some mustard, and we will place it all together. And we are done.